Hello everybody, welcome to my new channel. I forgot to mention in the last video of Sophie Scott Goes South that this is my new channel. Old Friends, New Friends by Andrew Dado and Jonathan Bentley. A brand new school year and a class packed full of my old best friends. I can't wait! My tummy's bubbling away like the fizziest fizzy drink in the world. You're going to have to let me go, Mum. This is going to be the best year ever. Now, if you're a little munchkin watching this video, how do you think the girl felt when she was coming back to school and in a new class? Got it? Now, how do you think she felt once she saw her friends weren't there?